is a short street located at Ratchadam Nguyen Avenue. It's like the area of Bangkok historical temples and palaces. Although Khaosan Road itself is small, its backpacker culture of cheap guest house, bars, and restaurants has spilled over into almost all of the surrounding streets. This is like the same like a New Orleans. Have a 300 for overnight with this kind of look. So I have one here from the Hansa hostel. Let's ask her. Hello, sawadika. So can you tell me about here Hansa Hotel for backpackers?
Oh, it's a family business. So we run by my mom and me. So it's really family like. So we welcome you all. Yeah.
Okay. One of the guests here is him. I don't know what is his name, but hi, my name is Julia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So yeah, I would like to ask you, why did you choose Hansa Hostel? What is in your mind? Why is it Hansa? A lot of hostels here.
I mean, my idea was just to come nearby to see or go to Khaosan Road, because I already knew there are many hostels to find, and I know or knew this area around here because a little bit more away from Khaosan Road, so it's more quiet. And then we just arrived this morning, so was looked around at the others, and this one was the most clean hostel, looked very modern, looked really nice, so we ended up choosing this because the prices around here is all the same prices. So always like 300 baht for a dorm room, or the 600 baht for a private room. So it doesn't matter where you go to which hostel, but this is I think for what I saw this so far the best one.
So how long are you gonna be here?
It's just one night because we fly back tomorrow to Germany.
All right. What